Hey everybody, I'm here to tell you about Ziffer. Ziffer. Ziffer is an anti-snowing device. What's this? Look. It says do it for somebody that you love. Open me and stop snowing. Now, I ordered this device because my wife was complaining that I was snoring too much. Now, I'm not sure exactly how much I was snoring, but she just likes to complain. So, I was trying to be a good husband, and I ordered the Ziffer. Now, the Ziffer is a pretty amazing device. The problem is, you can't close your mouth. So you tend to swallow and spit a lot. And the thing is, she's been getting good sleep since I got the Ziffer. Now the Ziffer, the way it keeps you from snoring is you can't sleep. So you just stay awake all the time. So she's getting good sleep now, but I can't sleep because I'm slobbering, I can't breathe good, I can't talk. People make fun of me. I mean, give me a break. I'm just glad that there's a money back 7 days. Money back guaranteed. 7 days. Sorry. It gets a little difficult to talk sometimes. You gotta wipe his mouth. So all the slobber seems to come out of your mouth when you're talking with the Ziffer. Now, for some reason, when I watch all the videos on the Ziffer, they never show nobody with an accident in their mouth. Because, as you can see, it's just a little bit awkward. Now, when I go to the directions, there's a handy guide in the back that helps you to maintain the intimacy with your partner. Now, as you can see, there are some intimacy tips. So, let me just read a couple for you. It says, begin a schedule of recurrent acts of kindness. So this is nice stuff for your wife. So she can look past how foolish you look with a Ziffer in your mouth when you try to sleep. And it says, serve breakfast in bed. Maintain eye contact. Now, that's kind of hard to do with her laughing at you all the time, but maintain eye contact. Get personal with one another. We create a first date. Now, I've been married a long time. I couldn't remember what a first date was, but I can probably create one, I guess. I don't know what the teenagers do these days. Write love letters. The reason why you write is because you can't talk. So you gotta write. Now, excuse me. Alright, I had to wipe my mouth just a little bit because I'm just slobber. I got a whole pool of slobber all over my screen on my phone, all over the table. What was it? Take a class together. Now, I don't know what kind of class the suggestion would say. Oh, it says a cooking class. A cooking class. It says, tell your partner that you will put them first. Well, obviously, I'm putting her first by wearing the Ziffer, because the Ziffer is not so good for me. But good for her. Be a good listener. Okay, I can do that. I can be quiet like this. I'm listening. Well, I got, I'm sorry. The last one, I swear is what it says. It says, get serious. Get serious. Get serious. I say serious, I say really serious about this project. Because, you know what? It changed my life. I'm serious. I'm serious that I'm going to send it back for my 7-day refunds. And I'm sure they're going to probably try to fight me, they're going to give me the money back. But I'm going to get it back. I'm going to get it back. Now, for those of you that don't mind sleeping with some type of huge device in your mouth and acting like a fool, then that's zipper for you. But for me, I don't know. Maybe I'll try something like a Breathe Right or something like that. You know, might work a little better. I think I might have surgery to remove my nose before I wear the zipper every night. Alright, well this is the review. This is an honest review from an honest person. I ain't trying to talk funny. This way it make me talk right now. I'm just trying to be serious and let everybody know about zipper. Zipper, zipper, zipper. Y'all have a good day, okay? Bye-bye.